Oh, sorry, ExecJet 670, turn left, Alpha 7 cross, runway 14 left, and contact ground point under the other side.
Alpha 7 cross, 14 left, over to ground, ExecJet 670.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, I got aircraft waiting to go with a flow time. Change to runway 14 left. Runway 14 left, clear to land.
14 left, clear to land, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot. We do go to the west side though.
Roger.
Flexion 660 holding short.
Flexion 660, roger. Flexion 660, traffic on short finals for the parallel runway. Runway 14 right, clear for takeoff, wind calm.
14 right, clear for takeoff, Flexion 660. Full flaps, Mixters Ridge, prompt to come.
Similar 1111, caution wake turbulence for Gulfstream, departure ahead, runway 14 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 14 right, Kenmore 1111.
Flexion 660, contact Seattle departure.
Departure, Flexion 660.
Boeing Tower, helicopter 4237 Mike at the Sky Service ramp, requesting a southeast departure with uniform.